this is the first international travel ng aming 15 months old baby, and we will share the tips and the places we visit in Singapore. Pag-arting namin ng airport ay pinaglakad-lakad namin siya, pinalaro-laro para mapagod na siya at para pagsakay namin ng plane hindi na siya ganun ka-hyper at para mabilis na rin siya patulugin. Hi guys! So boarding na kami ngayon and the baby is sleeping. So ayun, nag-regising rin agad siya. So para hindi siya maboard, nag-prepare na ako ng mga activities na gagawin niya sa plane. Like bumili ako ng stickers, bumili ako ng mga toys na hindi niya pa nalalaro sa bahay or nakikita. Tapos nag-download din ako ng mga videos na pwede niyang panoorin pag naboboard na siya.
Tanya. Ayan o, bumalik na si Luffy o.
After we get our luggage, naghanap kami ng ATM machine to withdraw cash. Sabi nila, UOB yung pinakamababang exchange rate pag ginamit mo yung GCash card mo. So what we do, from our bank, we transfer to GCash, then withdraw to UOB ATM machine. Nag-withdraw lang kami ng 150 SGD as cash on hand since credit card naman yung gagamitin namin. This is the room that we book in Agoda. Maliit lang talaga siya kasi sobrang mahal ng hotel sa Singapore. Basta sinigurado ko lang is yung may bintana yung mabook namin na room para hindi suffocated para sa baby. Ang name ng hotel is Fragrance Hotel Oasis sa Ballister at malapit siya sa bus station. My view in the morning from our hotel room with these two peeps still sleeping. Location ng hotel namin is sa tapat ng bus stop, so mas convenient sa amin mag-travel through bus kasi para hindi masyado madaming lakad. Then pagkababa namin is doon na agad kami sa destination namin, unlike pag nag-MRT pa kami, ang dami namin lakad na gagawin.
May batang natutulog.
We're here in Vivo City. So, ayun, from our hotel, sumakay kami ng bus, 145 na number. Then, from 29 stops yung Vivo City. Then, after this, you can walk, pero kung ayaw nyo ng walk for 20 minutes, you can ride cable car. So, pupunta pa lang kami doon. Now, let's see how. If sasakay ba kami or mag-go kami. Kasi tulog pa naman si baby. So, just see how.
Yung baby natutulog. Bossing! Ayan yung cable cars. And dito naman pag gusto nyo maglakad, take this route.
Sa taas na rin yung train station.
And sa taas yung train station. And sa baba yung mga boss ko yan.
So sleepy. Maybe pag uwi namin mamaya na kami magka-cable car. So, yeah, this is the view. Honey! Wala siyang dalang cup. So, okay naman siya. Kung medyo mga bata-bata pa kayo. So, yun, may mga nag-walk din na vloggers. So, feeling ko advisable. Maganda naman siya. Okay naman siya. Advisable. Pero kung may baby, like, baka kasi mamaya magpa-carry siya. Makapagod. So, yun. Ang ganda naman yung view. Hindi naman mainit kasi meron siyang bubong naman. So, okay lang mag-walk. Oh, 465 meters na lang sa Sentosa. Kasi dapat mag-cable car kami kanina. Kasi si baby, so hindi niya makikita. So, sayang lang. Because this trip is for her. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng Japan, hindi siya nakasama. So, nasad kami na parang nag-guilty. So, yun. Bumali kami. This time. So, yun. Mas prefer ko yung bus. Kasi ayaw namin yung palipat-lipat ng sakay. So, since pag may baby ko, so mas prefer mo yung isang puntahan lang. Eh. Parang hindi okay yung palipat-lipat. Pero mas convenient pa rin kung magta-taxi or mag-grab. Pero medyo mahal siya. Kasi nag-check kami kanina is around how much? $20. Ha? $20 siya from our hotel, Balister. Then, nung nag-bus kami, $5. Sobrang mura. So, yung mga tickets namin, binili namin siya sa Klook.
Wow! Wow!
Alright, you go down to D1, you'll see yourself at the aquarium. Journey!
โทรศัพท์ที่เขาทำตรงดูให้เราอะ
Hi!
Hi, princess! Hi! Wow, there's a fish! Mommy! Tanya, you see that fish? Wow. Wow, Tanya. So many fish. Shark. Tanya, where's the fish? Where's the fish? Wow, so many.
Like the fish? Wow, there's the fish there.
Wow, dolphin! Dolphin! There's no dolphin! Hi guys! Yes, here for you! Baby Dahlia! Yeah, so many fish. Can you see the
Stingray. That is a stingray.
Tayo, napitay na ako. Mukha na. Maganda mag-picture dyan, honey. Wow, what's that? Amazing. Tanya, it's coming. Wow. Yay, we're here.
We are here at Universal Studio.
Hi. Hi.
Tanya, see you.
Tanya. Tanya, look at that. Mommy.
Tanya.
Yay. Hi. So, dito kami kumain. Makikita tong food center na to sa tapat lang ng loob ng Universal Studio. Dito kami kumain ng Hainanese chicken.
Hua Wonton. Dito yung self-service order. Pag magbabayad ka na rin dito and then bibigay sila sa'yo ng this one. Yan. And then magbabibrate lang yan. And it tells you kung saan counter siya i-pick up yan. Yeah. This one, you can also order here. Tapos, you can also pay using your credit cards. Yeah, there. Visa, JCB, MasterCard, Union Pay, American Express.
Dito kami lagi kumakain ng asawa ko after ng day tour namin. Sobrang mura lang ng mga foods nila compare sa 7-Eleven. Tsaka marami pang stall na nag-offer ng mga different variety ng Singaporean food and Malaysian food also. Hi!
Hello!
Day 2 in Singapore!
Where are you going?
We're going to Botanical Garden! Yay!
Look! Wow!
Tananan!
Bye bye!
Hi!
Bye!
Bye ka, bye-bye!
Bye.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you, sir!
Anong bus sasakyan natin, honey?
186. Bus 186.
We're waiting bus 186.
Hey. Come here, come here. Dito. Hi, hi. Hello. Oh.
We're going to Himalaya. Dali, oh, dali, dali. Medyo umamon. Ito mo si baby.
Hi. What are you doing? You're watching Miss Rochelle? Yeah. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Oh, see? See? Oh, siya. Oh, linaw pa rin, oh.
Hi! Dito kami sa Merlion Park. And ang side namin, side view namin is Marina Bay.
Here's the side. Front is there.
Ito tayo, honey, oh. Ito na tayo, honey. Sobrang daming tao. So many people. Sobrang daming tao.
So many layo.
Dito na lang tayo, Han. Ito na lang tayo. Naghanap kami ng view
So
para
many
sa
layo.
magandang pool. Wala sa gitna nila. Hi guys! We're here in Gardens by the Bay.
Hi. Ano front? Front.
Yeah! We're here!
Yay!
Here in Gardens by the Bay. Dito lahat. Ito yun, honey. Ano tayo na tayo na taas?
Ha?
Labo.
Kita mo?
Diyan lang pala siya. Ako pala yan. Honey, did you understand? Ba tayo?
Ah.
On our way to Gardens by the Bay. Marina Bay view from Gardens by the Bay. So later we'll go back sa Marina Bay kasi nag-preserve kami ng seat in Labu restaurant for our dinner. Hi guys! Yay! Nandito kami Italia sa Gardens by the Bay. Hi! Say hi!
Where are you, Tanya? Where are you, Tanya?
Tanya! Where are we?
Hello. Hi ka pa.
Huwag tayo dun, huwag tayo dun, huwag tayo dun. Huwag tayo dun, huwag tayo dun.
Hi. See the place. It's a lava.
Sino mo siya? Hi, birthday boy. Hi, Daddy. From them. Thank you. Can you help us take pictures? Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. Blow na nak, blow. 1. Blow mo na. Mag-wish ka na, Han. Mag-blow ka na. Daddy, mag-wish ka na. Go na. Yeah.
Look, oh. Look, oh, fish, oh. Fish. So many fish.